experiment with something new. The 1080, it said something weird like it's delayed. So I switched down to 720. Well, it was on 640 by 580 or whatever. And I was like, nah. So I switched it back up, and then I got that message about it being delayed. And I thought, you know what? I'll switch it to 720 and see if this works out okay. So, all right. Here was that last bag before time ran out on us. Shining Fates. Something attacks. What is it? Max attacks. Match attacks. Huh. What are they called? Top loaders. Couldn't resist. All these guys were waiting in line, and I just left, went to another store. I bought one of each. I got 2 Mega Prism. Prism Basketball Mega Boxes. So they can wait there all they want. Bowman for my baseball. Score for my football. What the hell? Where's my basketball? They must not have had basketball. It must have been empty. Must have been out of it. $3.98 for the supply. $12.98 for those soccer cards. Kills me. $29.98 for the NHL box. $15.98 for the Major League Baseball Bowman cards. 2 packs. NFL $5.98. You can't go wrong with that. And Pokemon cards $14.98. So, it's so funny how those guys just like they sit there and they wait. And I'm out scoring. Whoa. And I'm out scoring those Prism Basketball. That was awesome. Like, really? Unreal. Yeah, so while they're all waiting there, I scored. Yep. That was on Thursday. Alright. That's done. Mosaic Soccer. It's weird how they don't have any players on their box. We're really getting tired. This is the stuff that was in my trunk. I have never in my life seen these. It's a pink unicorn character. Name is Galarian Rapidash. I personally have never heard of this. Wow, it's a 210 point thing. You guys probably know better than I do. There were 16 of these. 16. I was debating what I wanted to get, whether I wanted to get Pokemon stuff or sports cards. And of course, I was at Nazi Haven. And I'll let you buy as many of these as you want. But you try to get something other than like Pokemon. Try to get any kind of sports cards. It's terrible. They treat you like you're committing a crime by actually wanting to get sports cards. Now, if they want to treat the people that are flippers like that, that's fine. I really don't care. The problem is, I'm not a flipper. I get pretty angry when they do that crap, of course. So I was out. I got Angel Has Fallen, Gerard Butler, and Keanu Reeves in John Wick 2. $3. Like, how do you go wrong? Selling them for $3. I went to Big Lots up in Einan over the weekend, and wow, the stuff that they had. I got 13 movies for like I forget what it was, but it was like $1 a movie. No, I think it was like 13 movies for 9 something. It's ridiculous. Pokeball. Chronicles. Blaster box of Diamond Kings. Gave me an extra pack. She let me take 2 instead of 1. Bowman. Bowman fat packs. I'll tell you what, these Fairfield boxes, I'll buy the football ones. I'll never buy those baseball ones ever again. They're so much. Like $5.99 for absolute garbage. The football ones were good though, so I can't really complain. I should have thrown this in there too. These are the contenders. Basketball. Panini Contenders. 22 cards per pack. For only $5.98. The Titanic. I didn't know what to get. I saw these contenders. I had to grab them. Oh, this is the one with that really beautiful girl. Very pretty. I think her name was Cassidy. Cassidy, I don't remember. But she was so pretty. I don't know what the heck happened to my I was going to see what happened to my credit card. All right. Never. Okay. I will buy Chronicles every time I see them. They're just that sweet. Confucius say. I was told these are the most sought after baseball box. Best set of the year so far. But these mega boxes, God, they had like 18 of them. And I only got 2. Usually I'll bring someone else over and get 2 extras and go back. But I was working on a paper for my... I don't know what happened. I always have these Diamond King hangers. And always get the Chronicles. Always. That's like written in stone. It's like a law of mankind. Always get the Chronicles. Alright. Oh, there's still a ton of stuff. Oh, come on. Let's get through this quick so I don't have to make another. Oh my God, look at all this crap. This really sucks. I don't think I'm going to be able to get through all this. I have to do another video. So I went to the bank and I got a whole bunch of coin wrappers. Alright. Let's go through this quick. That's that baseball thing that sucks. Oh. I don't know if you can see it. Wait for it. Bam! Charizard theme deck. I got it at a CVS of all places. A CVS. And it's funny because they usually charge like $12.98 or whatever for those. These guys jacked up the price to like $17.49 or something. And she's like, "Are you sure you want it?" And I'm like, "Yep." A Charizard theme deck. I don't know if I showed you this stuff. Topps 2020 Series 2 Hobby Exclusive. 2018 Hobby Exclusive Series 1 trading cards. Two Chrome Decades Best cards inside. 2020 Series 2 Hobby Exclusive. I think that's the same as this pack here. Yeah. I don't know. They're going to get wrecked. Oh, I opened that. This is just a bunch of junk. Lindros. Curtis Granderson. Derek White. Robert Covington. Isaiah Roby. Patrick Beverly. Hey, I never showed you these. The Gator rookie. Michael Jordan exclusive for Hardwood Leaders. And a Guidry rookie. Both were $6. I'll take that any day. And a whole bunch of other crap that I don't have freaking hands for. All this goofy stuff that I picked up. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh. Alvin Kamara. Patch card.